KBRC13 here. Tuesday's project day. Alright. So I'm working on my sail. So what I usually do is I get a picture from the internet for a reference and then draw it out the way I want it. And then take a piece of carbon paper and transfer it to where I need to, what I'm going to put it on, and then start painting it. Because you don't want to erase stuff and all that stuff on the thing you're going to be painting on. So that's how I usually do it from the canvases too. So there would be no erase marks or anything on the canvases. So I just started painting it. It looks like it's a little dark. I have to put some more light in it. So I'll give you an update probably when I'm half done and then when it's finished. But this is a sail, so this is material too. It feels like cardboard, but it ain't. It looks like cardboard, but it ain't. It's material. Alright. See you in a little bit. So I got the wings done. And I am working on the dragon right now. Just started that. So, and I'm timing it. See how long it takes. I'll show you guys how long it takes. Tell you how long it takes. This is my hand. Sorry. Oh. All right. There's an update. So it's been 1 hour and 56 minutes and 37 seconds. And got the wings done. And I took his ear off. I'm going to just put his ear back on there. Got it all blacked out. So that's what it looks. About 2 hours of painting. Yeah, the shield, the battle axe is going to be a lot different. It's going to have a lot more color in it than that. I just put a gray coat on it for right now to see where I was at. I was way off up there. I had to make that point up there higher. Okay, I'll give you a couple updates when it's done. I probably won't show it to you again until it's done. All right. I just used this dirty water wash. See my hand shadows in there. Wait a minute. I just used a dirty water wash. Make the sail look dirty. Just put a light coat over the dragon. So I don't know if you can see if it looks dirty or not, because of this light. It's still really just wet. But you can see it's kind of dirty. Maybe I'll hold it up here and have it run down like the junk is run down it. But the sail is not flat. Next I got to put that wood across. I screwed up on that. I put the wood first. Where it's at. Here it is. I'm going to tie these up first and then put it across there and loop it like that. But on the picture I'm looking at, it doesn't have to do that. I have to cut these off and do it at the same time. Loop it through there, then probably get another bunch of string and wrap it this way, and then loop it through there and then wrap it this way. So that's what I got to do next. And this dries. I should have done that and then washed this thing. Oh well. KBRC13 out for right now.